My name is Tinashe Kenneth Magira. I'm an engineer by profession. I'm the founder and the director of Goodspeed Industries, which is a company that has put other companies within. We mainly focus on engineering. That is the fabrication aspect of engineering, the renewable energy aspect of engineering, and the manufacturing aspect of engineering. The mandate of Goodspeed Industries is driven by the NDS1, which is the National Development Strategy that was put in place by the government of Zimbabwe. Our goal and our wish is for the fellow youths to follow suit and also implement what they've learned in their respective colleges or universities. Now, the other thing that motivates us to be Goodspeed Industries is the aspect of innovation. With innovation, we've understood that for Zimbabwe to be able to attain the upper middle income economy by 2030, we should utilize the aspect of innovation. By innovation, we mean developing technologies that can make the lives of Zimbabweans better. From the past, we can see that innovation was there. Because if you check back then, during the era of Great Zimbabwe's economic activities were mainly based on agriculture, livestock farming, and trade. So, with all that, innovation was then now necessary. We can see that through the aspect of agriculture. Agriculture involves irrigation. It also involves farming, as per se. So with irrigation, we can see that they even developed complex irrigation systems to cater for their agricultural produce. They also were at a stage of developing what I call shifting cultivation, whereby they were cultivating in patches, so that if a certain patch they were using was overused, they will then abandon it and move on to the next patch which wasn't used before. This was done so as to make sure that the issue of fertilization is intact. This was done in a way to make sure the economic aspect of Great Zimbabwe was good, since we have seen that Great Zimbabwe was mainly based on agriculture. The issue of mining, again, they also innovated measures on how to make mining easier, because if we check, back then the agricultural tools that were used were mainly made from wood, bone, or stone. But with mining now, they were using what I call a furnace. In Shona we call it emvuto, whereby they will be processing the mineral ores, what can I call this? The iron ore, so as to make the agricultural tools that are more durable as compared to those that were made from stone and bone. So with that, we can see that the issue of innovation was there before. Even if we check again the complex agricultural designs of the Great Zimbabwe, you can see that serious innovation was there, because they were able to build complex structures by using stones alone without mortar. But now it's very difficult for us to build something without even applying cement. But back then they did it, and even up to now, those ruins are still in place. They are still strong as before. So, seeing that as Goodspeed Industries, it's something that motivates us to be better. It's more like we envisioned everything like the issue of relay, whereby the first person to start the relay is someone who's in most cases is someone who's faster, so that the other racers that follow should maintain the pace or improve the pace that was done by the first racer. So, taking this example that I've noted, the people of Great Zimbabwe back then were the people who started the aspect of innovation in Zimbabwe. Now came the First Republic, which made us to gain independence and make us to be independent to ourselves, where the other people again who were given the baton stick of innovation by our forefathers. And they've managed to do what they've done, and now we are now in the era of the Second Republic, whereby now, thanks to the Second Republic, they've now introduced the aspect of Education 5.0, which now involves the issue of industrialization and research. During the First Republic, the education system was mainly based on research and community service, which was in a way still not of benefit to us as Zimbabweans. But thanks to the Second Republic, us as the youths, us as the upcoming generations, we are now being given that platform to introduce and also to further the aspect of innovation. So, like what I was saying, that thanks to the Second Republic, they've now managed to implement some of the things that are beneficial to the upcoming generation like me. That's why I've started this company, Goodspeed Industries, which mainly focus on the engineering and the innovation aspect of Zimbabwe, trying to make Zimbabwe match the world standards of innovation. So, since Zimbabwe went through an era of colonization, I think the colonization, even though was bad to some extent, to a little extent, it was a bit beneficial to us, because it managed to teach us different methods of architecture, different methods of construction, different methods of industrializing the food processes, the mining processes, and everything. But one thing that us as Zimbabweans should realize is that we should understand that the issue of innovation is not derived from outside, but it starts from within. Us as Zimbabweans, we are able to innovate things on our own. Like there's a certain writer who always said, necessity is the mother of all inventions.